In this video, we are going to talk about top 11 things to sell to make money fast. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Making money can appear to be more difficult than it has ever been. The good news is that you won't have to sell your computer, or your great priceless grandmother's chain to get by. Here are top 11 things to sell to make money fast right from the comfort of your own home. Let's start. Number 11. Used furniture. If you have used or antique furniture, you can sell it online for a profit. Even if you don't currently have any second-hand furniture to sell, this is one of the best investments you can make. You can advertise your second-hand furniture for sale on sites like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. This is how you may make a lot of money in a single day. Number 10. Photos. Do you enjoy taking photographs? Do people tell you that your photos are wonderful and that you should try to sell them? It indicates that you have some creative brilliance, that you may develop into a reliable source of revenue. SmugMug, for example, allows you to save and sell your images. You can establish your own rates and sell your art in the form of prints, bespoke picture gifts, and digital downloads. Number 9. Sports equipment. This is an era in which everyone is involved in some form of sports, whether they are participating in them or simply watching them. People have incorporated sports into their homes in the form of sporting goods. Sports have become a requirement of life for everyone with children or who enjoys sports in general. Consider soccer goals, basketballs, and baseball mitts, for example. This is a really simple item to sell online. People will be able to tell if they want to buy it only by looking at an image or two. When it comes to reselling specialty sports equipment, don't be afraid to think outside the box. The more unique, the better. People also require equipment for weightlifting, boxing, and spinning, cycling. Number 8. Recyclable materials. Almost every home has a lot of recyclable materials that are regarded to be useless and end up in the trash. Bottles, cans, bags, and newspapers are just a few of the items that can be recycled. Check out the website for your local recycling center, and start a collecting bin for the items they accept. Recycling is not only beneficial to the environment, but it is also beneficial to your wallet. Number 7. Jewelry. Many people have jewelry, and are looking to replace it in order to keep up with the latest trend or fashion. Jewelry is one of those goods that is always welcomed, as an antique or a one-of-a-kind item in the market. If you have some high-quality jewelry, selling it can bring in some serious cash. Worthy.com and CashForGoldUSA.com are two websites where you may try your hand at selling gold online. Pawnshops and jewelry stores also buy jewelry, but selling it online eliminates the need to transport it. Number 6. Ebooks. Selling ebooks is a fantastic method to make a lot of money. There are two ways to sell ebooks on the internet. To begin, you can become a Kindle publisher, selling fiction or non-fiction publications such as romance novels and personal financial advice. Another alternative is to sell your ebooks on your own website. The majority of consumers prefer this option, since it allows you to charge higher prices for your ebooks while still keeping all of the revenues. Although it is a simple way to earn money, writing the ebook is usually the most difficult aspect. However, here's a little-known secret. You can hire a ghostwriter to do it for you. Number 5. Flip items online. This is most likely one of the quickest methods for earning money online. It's known as retail arbitrage, and it entails purchasing products from local retailers, and reselling them online for a profit. To accomplish so, start by compiling a list of hot and trending items on the internet. Then you go to stores like Walmart, Target, Dollar Store, Lowe's, and others' clearance aisles and buy things to resell. Number 4. CDs and DVDs. We use CDs and DVDs for a long time, before they need to be replaced with new CDs or DVDs that correspond to current market trends. You may not use your CDs and DVDs as much as you used to in this scientific age, because everyone is streaming movies and music these days. You may sell them on Facebook groups or at a yard sale in your neighborhood. Declutter or eBay are excellent places to sell them online. Number 3. Kids' toys. Because consumers are always looking for bargains, children's toys are some of the best things to sell to generate money. You can sell items that your children have outgrown, as well as some of your old childhood toys if you still have them stowed somewhere. Number 2. Old stuff. Almost every home has old items that need to be replaced with new ones. People believe that they should get rid of old items, since there is no room for them because new items are available to replace them. Selling outdated home items and apparel that you aren't using is a terrific way to clean out your storage space, while also making some money. Number 1. Books. Many people are enraged by the books because reading is a source of comfort for them. People go from place to place in search of good literature. If you have a stack of books that are collecting dust, you can sell them for cash. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.